Yo, what's good, YouTube? It's your boy Savvy Mass, back again with another video. So I done decided to do a little voice over. We about to trade the London session. Right now, currently I'm looking at GBP USD. You can see our Asian session. This is the one that I highlighted here with a yellow. I'm about to execute a trade here. I'm going for a 1, 2, 3 because that's how I manage my risk. That's how I manage my risk. Let me fix this real quick. There you go. It's a 1, 3. So this is the scalp trade. You can see it's executed positions on my phone, on my MT5 app. The trade is already moving. It's not waiting for nobody. So this is our Asian range high, as you can see, and this is our Asian range low. It's the one that we broke, indicating the trend for the session, if I may say, because I also use that as an indication. It really helps. So yeah, now we'll have to wait for the trade to play out. Better not this challenge for growing the Forex account. The market is already moving, as y'all can see too. So that means my bias is really high. So I deposited like 530 something USD, and I'm doing low risk in this account, going there to maybe 1,000 USD or 1,500. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and share it with somebody who is interested. The market is moving, it's dropping nicely, as you can see. So after breaking this low here, I'm gonna be trading my stop loss for me to move trade free. You can see it's dropping nicely. I'm back again. You can see that we have moved close to approximately 200 pips. But you have to hit OTP first before we exit the trade.
Yeah, the sun around. I don't fuck around. Tell them mighty out. I just want you now.
You can see that it's dropping nicely. Then boom, we hit TP. 300 pips secured. Yeah, that's the trade. You can see the profits here. Made like 14 USD. Okay, so I just saw another opportunity. I've entered 2 more positions. Same lot size, same risk and everything. So it's sort of like a risk-free type of trade now because of the profits that I made. So if I lose this trade, it's gonna minus from the previous order that I entered, which is I wanted 3, so minus 10 is gonna be like type shit. So yeah, as you can see now, it's moving, dropping nicely. Hopefully goes in our direction. Note that I'm trading like following the trend. I'm not against the trend. GBP/USD currently is in the downtrend, so I'm just following the trend. This is so yeah. As you can see that the market is dropping nicely. It's not even retracing even a bit. So that's a sniper entry. Y'all can see that inside of exactly there. It's top. Now it's dropping right to the tip here. And the market is moving like this because obviously it's London session and it's GBP/USD. So hence the pair is so volatile. So for now we should wait until we hit our TP. Still dropping, as you can see.
Let that back on you, put that back on you. I just wanna spoil you. Why so serious? Baby, fuck that total. In my city, even leaked out. It ain't nothing new. That's what's going on. Shoot every out. Take that plane, go. Gotta make up.
We're gonna be back. Let me just wait for the TP to head, and I'll update you guys. Looks like the market is retracing a bit. We're running 17 USD now. I've went risk-free on the trade. I've traded my stop loss. Boom. TP hit. These are the profits that I made for the day. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. You feel me? I hope you guys follow me on this journey to growing this account so that you guys can have like an idea on how to trade and grow your capital. So yeah, peace.